back to the channel, and in today's video we are going to get the car dynoed again, and this is to find out what kind of difference it made on the ported lower and upper intakes. So stay tuned, guys, don't go away. Okay, so we are going to get the dyno done today, and it just confirmed with Luis. Also, we are going to get this windshield replaced later today. Hopefully they have time for me, and yeah, that way we could get that done and out of the way, because it does bother me because it's like right in the middle. But anyway, we're gonna get the dyno done today, guys. Let's see what we get. Okay, so we are going to get the dyno done today, and it just confirmed with Luis. Also, we are going to get this windshield replaced later today. Hopefully they have time for me, and yeah, that way we could get that done and out of the way, because it does bother me because it's like right in the middle. But anyway, we're gonna get the dyno done today, guys, and let's see what we get. So actually this video right here will be kind of like somewhat the giveaway video, but I'll make another video before this one so you guys can get to guess what kind of powers it puts down, and that's how we're going to determine the giveaway winner. So it will have to be to an exact number, and that way we can you know, get that done, guys. Oh, look at that Snap-on truck. Wish I could get one of those for Christmas, full with tools. Would be pretty cool. I'm trying to come for a while, but I just haven't had the chance, and then or I'll get out too late. So that's the reason why I haven't been able to come here. Look at the lightning, that looks pretty cool. All right, guys, this is inside a Snap-on truck. That's pretty cool.
All the things I can't afford.
For real, right? All the things I can't afford. That's true. Holy cow, look at this. Dude, even tools up here.
What you need enough of?
Can you imagine a gun? I mean, a truck like this full of guns? That would be crazy, dude. Right? Oh, okay. Changing the plugs, all right. And Navas, Camaro, dude, it looks pretty clean, dude. Yeah. I didn't say that, bro. yeah, go for it. All right. Let's hear it. That sounds loud. Hey, dude, that's loud, bro. That's loud. So what have you done to it so far?
Pretty much nothing, not yet.
Not
Came
yet?
with cams, headers. We just tuned it with some air conditioning.
Yeah, I've seen on the Facebook. That's pretty cool, dude. That's pretty cool. It'll be pretty interesting to see what the car puts down with the ported upper and lower. So we have Luis getting the dyno ready. So we have what is that, like an 07, right? 08 Shelby. This is getting some work done here, guys. So it's all taken apart. Here is a new edge being worked on as well. Got Facebook Live or what?
Did you fuck it up? Dude.
What's up, bro?
Bro, clean the goddamn lens. The clean. 500.
500.
What are we gonna do here? What's going on here?
I don't know.
56.
Hopefully we hit 500, but I don't know.
There's 2.4 Pro Charge. Eh? Is it 2.4? What is it?
It's a 3.7.
Oh, 3.7 now. Okay.
You and Luis. Mechanical work by Mark and Nafa and
Well, actually, there's a lot of things that people don't know.
yeah. What's up?
Who's the one that actually installed the Pro Charger?
Oh, Pro Charger themselves.
Pro Charger sponsored this
Yeah.
Pro Charger for you, right?
Yeah.
No, he didn't.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, he didn't.
It's the first kit.
Yeah, that's the prototype.
This is the prototyp.
And they did it on his car.
Beat you, cheap bastard.
Hey,
Alright, who's watching?
to where they were at, right?
No, I had to get it taken
Oh,
over.
you took it over there?
Yeah.
Where to? They installed it?
Kentucky.
You drove all the way the fuck to Kentucky.
Yeah.
You drove over there, dude?
I drove it over there, yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Hey, Harry Bronson, $600. Harry Bronson.
Send a shout out to.
¡A la verga, me!
No one sends a shout out to the greaser, to Nafa, to Luis, or to.
Hey,
Who ported the intake?
Nafa.
Nafita, you ported the intake?
He says that he did a stage 12 porting.
Oh,
I'm gonna give a shout out to Frankie Ortiz, the one that is gonna start making our shirts.
Oh, yeah, Frankie.
What's
up, Frankie?
Luis.
What's up, Chongo?
Frankie, Luis says that he wants a.
Un chonguito aquí. Hey, you got a t-shirt. Over this. Check it out. Right here. Right here. Whenever you want to do
That's
dyno
the
build.
sensor.
No, what the? It's not the ultra sensor. Wait.
Downpipe.
No,
Is
what
that the white band?
No.
Is that the C-clip?
It's kind of like the secret. Is what's his name?
Yeah.
Daniel Arabia?
Daniel, where you at?
Yeah. Anyways, this is for the ABS. Whenever you hook it up to a dyno, whatever, you remove the right here. Yeah. Puro pinche sand.
Henry, what strut tower?
It goes right here. Hey, where is your strut tower, a la verga?
There's no strut tower in this one.
Nafa did a stage 12 port. He says he guarantees 72 horsepower.
Stage what?
12.
What that would be no, what tools, but offensive word for tools.
Tools?
No, offensive word for tools.
Two less?
Well, guys, Napa uses a micrometer per port. So what he does is he measures, he knows the stock port of a cylinder head and use a micrometer and he'll port match the intake to fit the actual runner of the cylinder head.
483.
Tough!
It already made 483.
No, the fucking 37 alone makes over 300. Now we have a full charger. It's gonna make 550.
That's to the crank weight.
No, so the row numbers, V6 3.7 makes 269 to the wheel.
David's
stock.
lying.
No, that's
Look,
stock.
but you have 20s weight. So it's
Yeah.
gonna decrease it by 20
The
horsepower.
radio weight. The radio. Juan de la Garza.
I don't
Is
know.
it an aftermarket?
It's in
No,
the
it's
radio weight.
stock.
Is it a stock? But they,
No, it's
they,
a
wa-
legal
they
way.
wired it
It's
fucked
illegal,
up. They
yeah,
wired it
yeah.
direct to the battery.
You can see it on the battery right there.
There's no remorse start. It's put a picture 24/7 picture, but not that.
Eduardo Guerra said he fucking.
All right, guys. I guess we'll down to the car tomorrow. Here we have Ortiz. He's getting in there, ready to start data logging. So, what do you think?
I don't know, way. We'll find out right now.
Right.
What was the pump?
DW 400.
DW400? No, WD400 or DW400.
DW.
DW400.
Juice works.
Upgraded the map sensor. Let's see what numbers it is.
All right, guys. Here goes the first pool.
Ready for the numbers?
Yeah.
Remember how it was 481.2, 424?
Yeah.
Okay.
Every little bee, a little fruit right now.
500 horsepower and 445 foot-pounds.
We broke the 500. Yeah, we got to 500. Dude, hey, that porting. Hey, that porting putting in work, bro. Finally. Oh.
Hey,
Oops.
did a strap loosen up or something?
I don't know. Let me check. Now the interesting thing is gonna be see how many pounds it's putting in. So that's what I'm wondering. Ready for the second pull, guys. Here goes the second pull. right, let us know, bro. Ready for another pull. This is a third pull. Going to lock the boost. Right now we're about to do another pull. Okay guys, here we go. Third pull. This one they're gonna lock boost, so we reached. Well, this video is gonna be after anyway your Facebook Live giveaway. So we made 500
and 445 foot-pounds of torque.
445 foot-pounds of torque. So those are pretty good numbers, especially on a stock engine, stock internals.
The last time we saw the boost, it was 10.6.
Yeah,
10.6.
Yeah.
That's what we saw last time.
Not a lot of boost, and it was on that.
Pulley, right?
Nah, I haven't changed.
Okay,
Same
so
pulley.
Are you done with the fan? Yeah, we're done with the fan.
Are you done with the wiper?
No, why? Why? What?
All right, Luis. So what's up? What's
right.
the conclusion here on the 3.7?
So we made about 10.6 psi. That's basically what we read last time.
Yeah.
We read that off of the map sensor right there. The map sensor has to be 100%. Calibrated properly. Otherwise, this vehicle's. I don't know if I could. It's gonna run back. Oh man, it's hot.
Yeah, dude.
Oh, dude, that's hot.
Yeah, it's about 102 degrees. That's another thing we got to keep in mind. So
that sensor has to be calibrated into the tune 100%. And what it gives you is what it gives you.
Yeah.
It read about 10.6 psi or so, give or take. And it's running really good.
Yeah.
I'm surprised we made the 500.
Yeah, me too. I mean, that's crazy, dude. It's crazy.
So we made the 500 and we made the 445. And I'm not sure if your viewers have seen it, but back when we had the other shop and then this shop, different days, different everything, similar conditions.
Similar conditions, yeah.
But it was within 2 horsepower.
Yeah.
Right? It was within 2 horsepower. So it was very, very consistent.
Definitely.
And now we're at 500 and 445.
Yeah.
So, I mean, the car is consistent, the dyno's consistent, everything is really nice.
Yeah.
And I mean, fuck, it's awesome.
Hey, it's awesome, man. I mean, it's hit 500, and you know that's pretty good coming out of a stock block 3.7 E85 full bolt-on. So 10 pounds, that's what more can you ask for, man?
Oh yeah, man. So it's running great, it's running fantastic. So I mean, I'm a huge fan.
Yeah,
I'm a huge fan.
For those who are looking to buy it, I mean, if you're really chasing power, I would suggest Coyote, right?
Oh yeah.
But if you want to go off, a different route, the 3.7
and still
engines,
put the gap on people.
Yeah.
Look, guys, for you guys that are self-tuning, or if you guys have a local dyno tuner that aren't into everything with these things, just something to work off of the exhaust camshaft at water per throttle. These have TIVCT, twin independent variable cam timing. Work off of that. I promise you, the power is going to be made here. I think the first time that you brought the car here, we were working off of the exhaust cam for quite some time. The intake cam, that was fine, but the more that we adjusted on the cam side, the more power we made. Sometimes we would dip in power, so we would have to go the opposite way.
Yeah.
But guys, like I said, sometimes you won't have access to remote tuners, or maybe you don't have everything with these things. Just something to work off of the exhaust camshaft at water per throttle.
That's the video for today, as you heard Ortiz talk about that. And thank you all for participating in the giveaway. And I just want to thank you all for your support. Stay tuned for giveaways and more content coming soon. Hit your notification bell button, guys, because that way you guys will know when stuff like that happens. Leave a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, share the videos out. Thank you guys for everything, and we'll see you all on the next one.